It's like I'm back at the club, you know? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of my bedroom and some of the little things that I've accumulated since the pandemic started. I feel like our rooms are the one place that we spend the most time in, so why not make it a creative and peaceful space? And also just full disclosure, I didn't go on one giant spree. These are things that have sort of accumulated over the last year. March just feels like a century ago. Like I still have a hard time processing that. Nevertheless, before we get into that, definitely hit that subscribe button, help your girl out, and let's get right into it. So first things first, this is my favorite new addition to my room. I don't know what I did in this blank space without it, but this IKEA HOVET mirror, I can hug it. What I love about this is that it just brightens my room. It just makes my room look so much bigger than it actually is. I'm just obsessed with it. That definitely adds a lot of dimension to my space. And also from IKEA is this beautiful plant. I haven't named it yet. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should name my plant, leave a comment below. But I've heard so much on social media about how, you know, greenery can really just help boost your mood. Okay, like this plant is it's not real. And the reason is because I can barely keep a basil plant from the grocery store alive. I know myself. Also too, I have carpet. I don't have hardwood, so I know it would just make a mess with like watering it and the soil would just like, no bueno. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it. Now, speaking of plants, I also got this really cute plant off Amazon. I had like the Amazon Prime free trial for like a week over Christmas, which was like so convenient because last minute Christmas gifts came on time, which is dope. It is artificial. I'm sensing some judgment here. Listen, and again, this little plant just brightens up my dresser and it just adds a nice pop of color. Just nice to look at, and it just, I don't know, it just makes you feel good. Yeah, sometimes like I'm so used to filming self-tapes like for auditions that I don't look in the camera when I film a vlog. I'll look at like an eye line and then I have to remember, I'm not acting right now. This is Sarah, this is the vlog. And of course, my new MacBook Pro. I'm so happy. This is like, oh my god, I had that for... My MacBook Air was on its last breath. I've had it for almost 10 years. And this MacBook Pro is so dope. Can we talk about the touch to unlock? Like what? I've been feeling SoundCloud lately. There's a lot of like really cool mixes on there. I'm an Apple girl till I die. Okay, so for Christmas, I am so happy that I got a space heater, and it happens to be remote controlled, and it's actually from Costco. In my bedroom, it sits on top of the garage, so it gets extremely cold in the winter for some reason. But what I love about this heater is that you can adjust the temperature, it circulates, and there's even a timer too, so you don't have to worry about turning it off. It'll just stay on for an hour and then shut off on its own, which is so great. And if you know me, you know that I am just always cold. It just keeps my room nice and toasty. So next I have these super cute twinkle lights that I also got from IKEA. They were like $10. They are battery powered, so I don't have to worry about, you know, wasting electricity. It actually has a timer. It'll come on the same time every day and stay on for those same 6 hours and then shut off, and then come on again the next day. Yeah, it's really low maintenance and it just adds a little something. For my nightstand, I actually picked this up from Urban Outfitters and it's so cute. It's a Polaroid photo holder. And okay, I know I only have one photo here. This is my boyfriend. The second one is, it came with it. But I got this in December. There was a lockdown, so bear with me. I do have a life, I do have friends. It will take some time for me to fill this up. And I also got the Instax mini camera in lilac. Such a gorgeous color. It's gonna be so perfect for when this lockdown is finito. This is the TECKIN lamp, and it has 3 settings, and you basically just tap 3. I just love doing that. I love yellow and orange light. It just brings a sense of warmth to any space. That white fluorescent light, I just, bueno. And it's also just so aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, I love this, and when I want to go to sleep, I just it's a good night. And I also have this mug warmer. I never knew these even existed. I think it came up on like an Instagram ad one time. Gotta love that algorithm. And that like if I'm sipping tea or coffee and then I get distracted if I'm like reading or like talking to someone or watching a show, and then I come back to it and then it's like cold and I'm like, well, that just defeats the purpose. This keeps your beverage at the perfect drinking temperature. So convenient. And my phone is ringing. These spam calls, I swear. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I have the links down below for most of the stuff here, if not all. If you guys have any questions about some of the products that I showed here or videos you'd like to see me do, definitely let me know. And hit that thumbs up while you're at it. Help a girl out. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, stay well, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.